Creating jokes from everyday life, a guide to observational humor. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our series on English language learning. Today, we're diving into a fun and exciting aspect of speaking and listening: jokes and humor. Specifically, we're going to focus on developing observational humor based on everyday situations. Observational humor is a great way to connect with people and practice your English skills at the same time. So, let's jump right in. Observational humor is a type of comedy that comes from everyday life. You observe things around you, think about what's funny or odd about them, and then share those observations in a way that makes people laugh. For example, have you ever noticed how people act differently when they're in an elevator? Some look at their phones, some stare at the numbers changing, and some awkwardly try to avoid eye contact. This is an everyday situation ripe for observational humor. When developing observational humor, there are a few key components to keep in mind. 1. Observation. First, you have to be observant. Look around you, notice small details, and think about how they could be funny. 2. Connection. Next, try to connect the observation to a larger idea or concept. Elevators are not just awkward, they're microcosms of social interaction. 3. Timing. The timing of the joke or observation is crucial. Know when to deliver the punchline. 4. Language. Use simple, clear language. Your observation won't be funny if people can't understand what you're saying. So, how do you go about creating your own observational humor? Here are some steps. 1. Be observant. Spend a day just observing the world around you. Take mental or physical notes. 2. Identify the funny. Once you've made your observations, identify what makes those situations funny or odd. 3. Craft the joke. Now, think about how you can present these observations in a funny way. Write down a few different versions. 4. Test it out. Try your joke on a friend or family member. Did they laugh? If not, think about what could be improved. 5. Refine. Based on the feedback, refine your joke. Then try it out again until it gets the reaction you're looking for. To help you understand better, here are some examples of observational jokes. 1. Why do people press harder on the remote control when they know the batteries are weak? It's like we think we can give it a little extra push with our fingers. 2. You ever notice how everyone turns into a car expert when they're at a gas station? Gas prices are high. Must be because of the new emission standards. Sure, Bob, you're a regular car economist. 3. Why do we feel the need to tap our pockets when we think we've lost something? As if tapping them will magically make our keys reappear. And that's it for today, folks. I hope this guide to developing observational humor based on everyday situations has been helpful and, of course, a little bit funny. Remember, humor is a great tool for practicing English and connecting with people. So start observing, start laughing, and keep practicing. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, keep smiling and keep learning.